Okay, let's do it. Let's sign a little viewings around. Yeah.
Nossa! I'm superstars, Mom!
Okay, let's hit the trip.
Greetings, USA, are you there? Baseball's empty, are you there? Cool beans, blue eyes. Hey, the Z! General Red Bastard, are you there? King Houseberg.
Same page here.
Cat Jack. Stop his letter card. Are you there? Floppy Star. Dude, the very US.
Let's figure out our time.
Where's this little Don't worry, I got this. Bubbles Christmas. Party for his grandma.
Hungarian Hiccups, Part 9, Part 10. And you have this. Yes, start again.
Hungarian Hiccups.
Hungarian Hiccups. Are you there? Yeah, Bob.
Oh shit! Captain Carico Star!
Music by Johann.
It sentence French to many!
It starts French ending in almost.
Great flying, Rocket. Hi, I'm Leah, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in
Hero, sister, are you there?
Rocket.
Rocket, dude, stay alive.
Whoa, look at them.
Guys.
And jets. And helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket.
Doc Spoilers, are you sure after the game?
Rocket is really
Luigi's
fast.
Mom, are you there?
Wow. Rocket is singing his special race song. Hooray for
What's the matter, Rocket? Sorry! You can't take the views around.
Wow, he's so fast. Don't be
Oh,
nervous,
this is Rocket?
You're gonna win.
Believe it, this is right. I knew it. I can't do that as a city yet. Achoo!
Huh?
Achoo!
Rocket,
What are you doing?
Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to be ready for the great sky race.
Achoo! Achoo!
Wait a minute.
Dude, did not ever lose it. Hiccups.
Had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before.
Achoo!
Rocket,
Rocket, stand! Achoo! Achoo!
every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't.
Kobe, make me sneeze. Achoo!
But how do you fix
Kobe sneeze.
stopping Rocket hiccups? Must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups. Sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away. That's a great idea.
Hey, we got this mission. We got this a surprise. So Hiccups out of the rocket, so he can win the race.
Yay!
Achoo!
How should we surprise Rocket? I've got an idea. We'll sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals.
No, I stop this!
But where can we find cymbals? I know. Let's go to Orchestra Ocean. There are instruments in Orchestra Ocean.
That's perfect. To the rocket. Behold, it's too late.
We've got a mission. We've got a mission.
Goodbye. We only at you.
Come on. Welcome aboard.
Hey, save us up.
Seatbelts buckled.
Alright, let's do this thing.
We're going to need a lot of power to blast off.
True! Crazy! Hey, yeah! Rocket Hiccups into the crisis facility, eh?
But we need...
What? Yeah, come on, bitch! Go ahead, sweetie, if you go water into the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This has been easily done!
We're here! Lovely instruments.
Yeah, what you for? We just have to go to serious.
Whoops! We really need to do something about these hiccups. Come on.
Let's find the symbols.
Rocket,
I see violins,
and drums,
drums,
and cellos,
cellos.
but
I don't see the symbols.
the cymbals.
I can do the symbols. Doesn't say the symbols.
Yeah, there they are.
People don't understand up to rules. God, about the sound to play the music.
We have to catch them.
Hey, crap catcher.
Okie dokie. Rocket,
Putting out with the crap catcher. Oh, thanks.
that was awesome, Annie. Great job.
To you.
Now we can surprise Rocket's Hiccups away. Rocket,
Rocket something. Rocket, we'll be right back.
Well, you
You're a
have
surprise, Rocket.
Great.
Cool. Pretend you had symbols. Now, clap these symbols. Clap.
That was nice loud clapping. Now,
Now,
shh. Your hands ready and
Boy,
very,
I just said,
quiet.
I just
And
done.
when we
Clapping
clap our
these symbols.
clap
Today
your cymbals
we
with
will
us.
feel like
Ready?
Let's practice.
Going.
You said a little sound. Shh. People are a little scared.
Ready?
Ready? Rocket got a surprise! We can craft our symbols! This is our hours we're going to say it with respect.
Listen.
I know it is there! Shoot!
Does he still have the hiccups?
Sneeze! You're right! Who we make this sneeze?
Don't worry, Rocket.
Oh my god, that's serious too!
Great sky race. What do we do?
I know! Let's have a little place and a little shutdown.
Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups. I have an idea! A big animal, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie. We have got to go to the jungle.
Let's go to